You have been yearning for something bigger, a life with more depth and truth. You are a seeker of the ancient wisdom practices, tools like meditation, mantra, and sacred sound. You are the dreamer who is ready to step into the role of the teacher, to deepen your connection to community, to spirit, and to yourself. The world needs you, your skills, your experiences, your expertise. Come take your place in the sound healing community by training in sacred sound. Learn how to play and co-create healing sounds with the Tibetan and crystal singing bowls, gongs, percussion, tuning forks, and your primal voice. Use and teach Vedic Sanskrit mantra meditation with refined pronunciation. Conduct group sound baths and offer private sound massage. Lead movement as meditation in preparation for sound. Using traditional yoga, expressive dance, shaking medicine, and other movement forms. And learn how to guide your community through spiritual transformations and so much more. The world needs your authentic vibration. And I can't wait to share the magic of sound with you in this diverse, deep, technique-packed, comprehensive training that is going to help you grow into your soul purpose. Are you ready to really tune in? Come take your place in the sound healing community and become a sound wisdom practitioner and healer.